Most people today are trying AI, but very few actually understand how to use it right way. Hi, my name is Avik and at Velocity AI, we teach people how modern AI tools really work. Not just shortcuts, but the structure behind them. Because once you understand how AI thinks, using ChatGPT or any new AI tool becomes 10 times easier. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through powerful ways to use ChatGPT smarter without complicated tech talks. So you stop using AI randomly and start using it strategically. So let's begin. First, think about this. You ask ChatGPT to create something, maybe a script, an email, or a resume. It gives you solid draft. But the moment you want to change one small line, everything gets regenerated again, and that's inefficient. Instead, use this Canvas style editing. Open your response like a working document, edit directly, highlight only the weak section and ask AI to improve just that part. For example, make this more professional, shorten these bullet points, turn this into a table. Now, AI works like an assistant sitting next to you, not a machine restarting from zero every time. Second, stop over-typing. Most people try to explain everything in long text prompts, but sometimes showing faster than describing. You can use visual input to ask smarter questions. Imagine opening your fridge and not knowing what to cook. Instead of searching everywhere, you simply show the ingredients and ask for ideas. Or when you are comparing products and labels feel confusing, show the options and ask for a logical breakdown. This shifts AI from text-only help to real-world decision support. Now let's talk about something important: privacy. There are moments when you want guidance without saving a permanent record. Maybe financial planning, career decisions, or personal questions. So use a temporary session, ask freely, explore ideas, and once you are done, the conversation clears automatically. AI should feel safe to use. Knowing when to keep things temporary is part of using it professionally. Here is the big misconception. People think AI only gives suggestions, but when you connect tools with workflows correctly, AI helps you execute faster. Planning something, structuring a design, organizing tasks. Instead of jumping between multiple apps, you guide AI step by step. Make this layout minimal, adjust the tone, change the structure, etc. etc. So at Velocity AI, this is exactly what we teach. Understanding workflows, not just prompts. Because tools keep changing every week. But once you understand the system behind them, adapting becomes easy. Another powerful habit is learning from what you see online. So when you find visual or creative output that looks impressive, don't just admire it, analyze it. Ask AI to explain the style, structure, and composition behind it. You are not copying, you are learning from the framework. And when you understand the framework, you can create something original with confidence. Now let's fix one problem almost everyone has: chaos. If your AI chats are mixed with random ideas, work tasks, and personal notes, you will lose consistency. Create separate workspaces for different goals. One space for professional writing, one for content creation, one for planning. Inside each workspace, define clear rules like keep responses concise, use professional tone, structure answers with bullet points, and once set, AI automatically follows that style, saving you from repeating instructions again and again. And finally, the mindset that changes everything. AI doesn't fail because it's weak. It struggles when instructions are unclear. Use a simple structure whenever you are asking something. Give it a role, state the instructions clearly, define the output format, add specific details. So instead of saying plan something, say act as a planner, create a structured plan, keep it concise, and focus on specific goal. This clearly turns average responses into a powerful one. And that's the real lesson. New AI tools will keep launching every week. But if you understand how it works, how to guide it, structure it, and collaborate it, you will never feel left behind. If you want to go deeper into this, we run weekly webinars at Velocity AI, where we break down modern AI tools, workflows, and practical systems step by step. After watching this video, if you would like to join, you will find this registration link in the description. Depending on when you are watching this, today's session might still be available, or you can register for the next one during the week. Now I am curious, which part changed how you think about AI the most? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.